And time now for the bite of the week. It comes from opposition spokesman on health, Dr. Dayton Campbell, who expressed concern about the state of the health sector.
Here's our bite of the week.
Bite of the week.
You can't be minister of health and people are going to hospital and you're going to hospital sick and rat bite up your hand and your foot them. So me go to hospital because me have a look cut and come out with leptospirosis. I see people go to Victoria Jubilee where you go for have pitney and them say to them, "Oh, when you come, carry your look or something." Oh, you never see that? You go have your baby and them tell you say when you come for have your baby. We don't have nothing up here, carry your look or something when you come. You know, say some hospital them when you go then tell you to carry your own sheet. You want a sheet? I'm gonna tell you if you carry your own sheet. Then soon start telling you to carry your own bed. And somehow the country will ignore all of the foolishness so I go on and tell me about man I do well.
Bite of the week.